I know it's been a while, but I'm back. So let's jump right in. Today we're going to learn how to hem denim or any pants really using the double fold method. So get your sewing machine because we're about to get started. Okay, so little sis gave me these pants and I love how, okay, let's not talk too much about her. But anywho, we're gonna use these pants and the first thing we wanna do if you want to hem your pants is cut a straight line. So let's do that. All right, now that we have that cut in a nice straight line, let's do the next step, which would be to turn the pants inside out, and then we're going to fold the edge and iron it. Now that we've turned the pants inside out, what we are going to do is the double folded hem. The reason why we're going to do this is because I don't have to serge the edge if I do the double folded hem. If you don't want to do the double folded hem because you're really tall and you don't have enough length in the pants to do all of that folding, then you're going to want to serge the hem of the pants with an overcast stitch. If you don't have a serger, you can use your sewing machine and use an overcast stitch and just go over the edge, and then you'll just flip it like this, iron it down, and then sew. But because I don't want to do that step right now, I am going to do the double folded. So I'm basically just going to fold it twice and iron it down. This is fold one. All right, we folded it one more time. Now let's iron it again one more time. For this example, I am going to use a few pins just to show you how to remove pins while you're sewing. Every sewing machine should have a part that you can detach here. It makes it easier for you to slide your clothes on and off. I'm opening the pants and putting this piece in between the two. We're going to use a straight stitch. Have your pin cushion, magnet, pin holder, whatever you want, have it near. So when you take out your pins, you immediately put it in there. Some people sew over their pins. That's not what I do. Once I put my foot down, I take out the first pin and then I begin to sew. Now my machine is moving fast and I know how to take my pins out while I'm sewing, but what I'm going to do is stop, take out a pin, and then go. Now as you advance, you can keep sewing and just take out. We're making sure we're getting right there to this edge. I tell people sewing is a feeling to me. It has to feel correct to you. I can't tell you where to place your hands. It just kind of has to make sense. As long as you have your hands in control of the fabric where it's not moving all over the place, that's all that matters. I'm going to show you a close-up going over that hump again. I will say I have sewn on my fingers because I'm not paying attention to my hands sometimes. Hence why I don't teach people where to keep your hands. Just, it has to make sense to you. But one thing you must not do is tug or pull on the fabric. All right, here we go. We're going over this hump. The reason why I'm able to sew over this denim is because I have a needle meant to go over denim. Okay, again, you notice I am going slow over this part. I'm gonna lift this up just a little bit and begin to sew. And here we go, we're back. Okay, and then we're going to connect. I like to back stitch. The back stitch button is this U right here. Read your manual on how to back stitch on your sewing machine, and then cut. All right. So let's look at basically the before. This is what would happen to your denim if you do not serge it or have some type of overcast, or you don't double fold. This is what we did. Look at how nice and neat. I used a stitch. I use a thread that is not the same color of the denim for teaching purposes, but like always, use thread that matches the color of your fabric or the denim. And if you don't, who's going to tell you something? Do you, boo?